Exercise 4th, example number 9. Let us see, please. You've got a glass surface. I'm drawing a diagram for you. A glass surface. And I got two rays, a violet and a red. Now tell me, this is air and this is glass. Tell me which light will suffer more refraction and less refraction.
So violet will suffer more and red will suffer less.
Right, right. Violet will suffer more and red will suffer red. One thing. Second point, the variation in speed. बताइए. Variation.
Red light will be more.
So the speed of red light will be greater than that of violet light.
Violet light will not direct.
Red light will be more than the speed of violet light.
First point. Deviation.
Deviation.
The deviation of
The deviation of
red light is less than the deviation of violet
the
light.
deviation of the red light.
The deviation of red light more than the deviation of the red light.
Of violet light.
Deviation of violet light. Perfectly correct. And velocity, I told you. So although the incident rays are parallel, they are parallel to each other. Are parallel, but refracted rays are not parallel. As they are deviated
Different.
at different angles through the glass. The surface, what is it? Glass surface. All right. They are deviated separately to the glass surface. That is what we are going to do here in this. That is the question. Fine. Then other thing.
Yes, sir.
The refractive index of the glass will be more for violet than the refractive index for red color light. All right, everybody. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
I'm not taking 10th example that I've discussed before also. So 10th I'm leaving it. I am coming on to the next example. I mean, the exercise, the examples of the B exercise now. Okay. The example number first. All go to the example number 1, exercise number V. Examples of the second exercise. Okay, आपको मुझे एक diagram दे रखा है. We see a triangle and ray Q are emerging out from the prism suffering minimum deviation. Complete the diagram to show the refracted ray PQ inside the prism and incident ray OP on the prism. Said in words, how have you completed the diagram? आपको वो जो basically इसका आपको एक emergent ray दे रखी है and they are asking you Let's do it again. The prism. You have been given an emergent ray. Right? आपको ये emergent ray given है. हमको उसको बैकवर्ड चलकर और हमको इंसिडेंट रे प्लॉट करनी है. Right? Pratik, as such, ऐसा कोई difficult word नहीं है इसके अंदर करने का काम, and you just show the normals at the surfaces. I make normal here the surfaces like this and like this. This is the angle of incidence, and this is the angle of emergence.
Emergence.
All right, and make the arrows, and make the arrows, and make the arrows here. That's it. That's how you have it. This is the first diagram. What they asking for there? Nothing else. Normal draw kar diya, but I2 is the emergence actually. Okay, now that time, Aryavardhan, you are there, you have gone away. Aryavardhan? Aryavardhan is there?
Yes, sir.
You were asking that time, angle of emergence. Now, basically, जब spectrum formation होती है, तो we are not talking about the emergence angle, we are talking about the deviation angle. Light की splitting क्यों हो रही है? Because light different angle पर deviate हो रहा है. Light emergence कितना है? वो light, of course, emergence of red will be lesser, and if I make a spectrum here only, मान लीजिए ये violet color की light है और एक red light, I make a spectrum all the way for you. Like this, and if I make the spectrum, say the first light is there, तो इस surface पर ही light के दो parts हो जाते हैं. ये red है और ये violet है. ये भी red आएगी और ये violet आएगी. तो angle of emergence is of no concern to us. Light ray एक संग थोड़ी बाहर निकल रही है. Light ray is deviated separately. So जो यहाँ पर ये emergence बन रहे हैं, मैं लाइट, ये तो ओरिजिनल लाइट थी, तो जो रेड का, चलिए थोड़ा सा और डेविएट कर लेते हैं. जो ये रेड मान लीजिए, जो रेड का डेविएशन है, आई टेक रेड कलर, जो रेड का डेविएशन है और जो वॉयलेट का डेविएशन है, वो आपस में डिफरेंट है. अंडरस्टैंड? डेविएशन ऑफ रेड इज लेसर and deviation of violet is more. That you please take care of this. कौन को मेरी बात समझ गया? So we never discuss about angle of emergence when formation of a spectrum. We always discuss about the angle of incidence when talking about that, and angle of deviation when talking about the spectrum formation. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
The second example. Second example quickly. I will close the meeting earlier today because there is no much work to study today. So I have got light ray. So there is a point source and we got like this. Okay, what will happen with these? They'll suffer refraction. The normal formation, right? They will suffer refraction. Again, the normal formation here and the normal formation here also. That will again suffer refraction. And this also will suffer the refraction. Now, what that's asking us, now if we observe somewhere here, हम यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, तो ये आई मान लीजिए, आई ऑफ एन ऑब्जर्वर, तो ये जो लाइट रेज यहाँ पर आ रही हैं, इनको हम बैकवर्ड प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. तो क्या होगा उससे, जो यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ था पॉइंट सोर्स, उसकी इमेज यहाँ पर दिखाई पड़ती है. दैट इज हाउ वी फाइंड दैट जो इमेज फॉर्मेशन होती है प्रिज्म के थ्रू, इट इज स्लाइटली अपवर्ड डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. अंडरस्टैंड? जितना ज्यादा लाइट का डेविएशन होगा, उतना ही ज्यादा हमको लाइट अपवर्ड डिस्प्लेस दिखाई पड़ती है अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन से. That's clear to you? Say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The third
Yes,
example.
Yes, sir.
The third example, quickly. Figure shows two identical prisms P and Q placed with their faces parallel to each other. The light ray AB of yellow color is incident at the face of the prism P. Complete the diagram to show the path of ray till emerges out of the prism. Now, I tell you one thing. अगर monochromatic light ray fall कर रही है, तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It might be yellow color, it might be red color, it might be violet color, it might be blue color, it might be indigo color. Doesn't make any difference to us. It's a single color light. Had been two different color of lights, they might have gone the different ways through the prism, right? So here there is no difference. I've got one prism like this, and the other prism like this. So these two are parallel. Okay. Fine. And one light rays of yellow color. The yellow color falls here. Fine. क्या होगा इसका? First refraction. Second refraction. Third refraction. And then say the fourth refraction. That's how light goes out. Now, always remember, light को हमेशा प्रिज्म के बेस की तरफ ही बेंड करना है. ये फर्स्ट टाइम लाइट बेंड हो रही है टुवर्ड्स द प्रिज्म, अगेन बेंड हुई टुवर्ड्स द प्रिज्म, अगेन बेंड हुई टुवर्ड्स द बेस, फिर बेंड हो रही है टुवर्ड्स द बेस. तो यहाँ पर तो वो इस प्रिज्म के बेस की तरफ बेंड हो रही है, और यहाँ पर वो इस प्रिज्म के बेस की तरफ बेंड हो रही है. That is how the things goes out. इसको मान लीजिए A' B'. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next
Yes,
example.
sir.
Example
Yes,
number
sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The example number
Excuse me,
4.
sir.
हाँ बोलिए।
सर ये जो थर्ड एग्जांपल है सर, इसमें हम लोग नॉर्मली ड्रॉ करेंगे।
कर दीजिए ड्रॉ, डजंट मैटर, मैंने नहीं किए हैं, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू। मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ करके, फिर से चलिए। चलिए बोलिए कौन से नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करने थे, करिए नॉर्मल ड्रॉ। द नॉर्मल, द नॉर्मल, द नॉर्मल एंड द नॉर्मल। हैप्पी नाउ? ठीक है,
यस सर।
okay, the next slide. So the fourth example, I mean, you got some diagram given to you there. Right, and the light ray is coming normal to the what will happen here? This is angle is 60. The light ray, अगर light ray normal fall करती है, it does not get deviated and it just travels straight. And the second surface without any
And emerges to the
deviation. But here, this angle is 30. This angle is 60. This angle is 90. This angle is 90. This angle is 60. This angle is 30. And here it pass out of it like this. Okay, all make it please. All make it like this. जल्दी से बनाइए. एंगल जरूर लिखेंगे, एंगल लिखना बहुत कंपल्सरी नेसेसरी है. Then the second one, right? What will happen? This is a normal incidence, right? जब कभी भी light normal incidence होती है, I'm changing the color from here to make you clear. Then light must not deviate from its original path. Rather, it must travel straight. Please remember always. Okay? And at this surface, this is the normal drawn. And here again, the light comes down. Light का दोबारा refraction हो जाता है. It bends towards the base as usual. We can find the angle or not. This 30, this is 90, this is 60. This is how much? 30. Emergence kitna we don't know. We don't need to calculate that. They're not asking this also. Okay?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
The last one, very quickly, and then I will close this meeting today. And your homework today, all the exercise number 4B, all the questions of 4B exercise. There are 19 questions. Draw them all. All diagrams are necessary to draw the copy. Or I will ask anyone any question, right? And tomorrow we'll start the straight line chapter once again. So आप लोगों को आज सारा काम पूरा करना 19 तक का. I will check that, and then you will go on. We will go on with the math chapter, straight line. जहाँ से हमने छोड़ा था, हम वही शुरू करेंगे उसको. So very quickly, the last diagram for the day. Here. And I got this also. And then you got this angle as, so this is not a normal incidence. That is why it will not be going straight. Rather, we will draw normal here. Normal. Light bends towards the base of the prism. So should I take different angle? Something not parallel to the base. Light का minimum deviation नहीं हो रहा. Please understand that. And then here, again draw a normal. Okay. And then light is again bending towards the base. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. This is what we can do here. Now I also don't know what is the angle of refraction here. So I did not need to make them here at that. Book ka jo diagram hai, I'm not finding it very correct. Light has to bend towards the normal because going from rare to denser, it will bend towards the normal, right? So उन्होंने कम division दिखा, मैं ज़्यादा division दिखा दिया. That is the only. अच्छा, I commit a mistake here. Just wait. Just wait. I made a wrong normal. I made a wrong normal, right?
Yes.
Normal is this. Normal is this. Now light bends towards the normal. So it will bend slightly like this. Okay? And again draw the normal here. And take the light out of it. ये angle of incidence है और ये angle of emergence. ये normal और ये भी normal. All right. Is that clear to you all?
Yes,
That is
sir.
how.
Yes,
That is
sir.
how.
Yes,
That's
sir.
how you make this diagram. All
Yes,
draw
sir.
diagram on the copy, and then I'm stopping it here today. All the work, remaining work, you must do in your homework. Fine. I put the videos on the YouTube. जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा चैनल को बच्चों आपको रोज ऐसे वीडियो से आपको दोबारा शाम को घर बैठकर you can revise it again at your home. So tell me now till here anything is not